Hello, my name is Melissa. Today I'm going to show you a DIY tutorial on how to paint a beautiful buffet using chalk mineral paint by Dixie Belle. The colors used in this project are caviar, collard greens, gravel road, and Spanish moss. Before you begin, make sure to clean your buffet and remove all existing hardware. Lay it aside and keep it for further use. You're going to get ready with your collard greens and you're going to start to paint the outline of your buffet. When painting in this ombre style, I like to start with the darkest color on the outside edges and move in towards the center with the lightest color of paint. I'll be staining the top of this buffet with No Pain Gel stain in the color Espresso. It's very easy to use. You just wipe it on with a clean, dry cloth. Make sure you do 2 coats, and when it's dry, you can seal it with a product called Gator Hide. When applying your No Pain Gel stain, you want to make sure to drag your stain from one end of the buffet completely to the other. This allows you to have a clear, even coat showing some of the original wood grain through the stain. You can then wait until it dries and apply your second coat. When you're working on your ombre blended technique on the front of your buffet, be sure to use a misting spray bottle filled with water. This helps keep the paint fluid and movable while you're blending your colors together. Use your caviar in the darkest crevices, again moving towards your lightest color, the Spanish moss, in the middle. The base of this buffet, where it was painted, was then clear coated with best staying wax in clear. This provides the adequate protection for using it in daily use. I used black wax in the corners to age and distress the piece. I then used gold gilding wax to provide a shine where the light will hit it in the sun. I reattached the original hardware and brought the buffet inside to stage. Overall, this piece blended well and the colors came together beautifully. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. Make sure to follow along at the Top Drawer RVA on Instagram and Facebook. I share mini tutorials daily.